Kikka Digga. Kikka Digga is an award-winning gardening tool that helps you dig and turn soil without bending over. It attaches to any standard gardening fork or spade and uses a unique clamp, pedal, and lever action function to make digging easier and faster. Diga is made in the UK from high-quality stainless steel and is lightweight and portable. It is also ergonomically designed to reduce back strain and improve posture. Pure Raindrop. Pure Raindrop is a line of stylish and sustainable rain barrels from Elho. The barrels are made from recycled polyethylene plastic and are ultraviolet and frost resistant. They come in a variety of colors and sizes, including a 70-liter model that can hold up to 70 gallons of water. Pure Raindrop barrels are easy to install and use. They can be attached to your home's downspout using the included hardware. The barrels have a spigot on the bottom for easy access to water. Rainwater is a valuable resource that can be used to water your plants, wash your car, or even flush your toilets. By collecting rainwater in a pure Raindrop barrel, you can help to conserve water and reduce your impact on the environment. Tertill. Tertill is a solar-powered weeding robot for home gardens. It uses a combination of spinning wheels and a string hammer to disrupt and cut weeds at the base, preventing them from growing. Tertill is designed to be used in raised garden beds or containers, and it can be used in gardens of up to 200 square feet. Tertill is easy to use. Simply place it in your garden, turn it on and let it do its work. Tertill will automatically patrol your garden, cutting weeds as it goes. It will return to its base to recharge when it needs to. Tertill is a great way to save time and effort in the garden. It can help you reduce your reliance on herbicides, and it can help to improve the health of your plants by preventing weeds from competing for water and nutrients. Ryobi 36V. Convert branches, palm fronds, and other garden debris into mulch with the Ryobi 36V. This is one of the first battery-powered crushing shredders available in Australia. This unit harnesses a powerful HB brushless motor and a 7-tooth blade with a 40mm crushing capacity. The semi-transparent bin shows material buildup and when it's time to empty. Onboard tool storage makes it easy to remove the inspection plate and remove stubborn blockages. The folding leg system collapses this unit down to half its size for compact storage. Get up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge of this 36-volt battery. These tools are ideal for tough conditions and larger gardens with mature plants. They also have superior ergonomics for a premium user experience. Edger. An edger is a garden tool used to create a clean, defined edge between a lawn and another surface, such as a sidewalk, driveway, or flower bed. Edgers can be either manual or power-driven. Manual edgers have a long, curved blade that is attached to a handle. The blade is used to cut the grass at a 45-degree angle, creating a sharp edge. Manual edgers are relatively inexpensive and easy to use, but they can be tiring to use for extended periods of time. Power edgers are powered by a gasoline engine or an electric motor. They have a rotating blade that is similar to the blade on a lawnmower. Power edgers are more powerful than manual edgers and can cut through thicker grass and weeds. However, they can be dangerous to use and require more maintenance. To use an edger, first make sure that the area you're working in is clear of people, pets, and objects. Then start at one end of the area and edge along the edge of the lawn, moving in a circular motion. Be sure to keep the blade perpendicular to the ground and use a smooth, even motion. Once you have reached the other end of the area, check to make sure that the edge is clean and even. Weeders. Weeders are tools used to remove weeds from gardens, farms, and other areas. There are many different types of weeders, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Here are some of the most common types of weeders. Number 1. Hand hoes. Hand hoes are the most basic type of weeders. They consist of a long handle and a blade that is used to cut or uproot weeds. Hand hoes are relatively inexpensive and easy to use, but they can be tiring to use for long periods of time. Number 2. Wheel hoes. Wheel hoes are a type of hand-powered weeders that has a wheel and a blade. The wheel is used to push the weeder through the soil, while the blade cuts or uproots the weeds. Wheel hoes are more efficient than hand hoes, but they can be more difficult to control. Number 3. Rotary tillers. Rotary tillers are a type of powered weeders that has a rotating blade. The blade is used to chop up weeds and bury them in the soil. Rotary tillers are very efficient at moving weeds, but they can also damage the soil. Number 4. Gas-powered weed trimmers. Gas-powered weed trimmers are a type of powered weeders that has a rotating string. The string is used to cut weeds at ground level. Gas-powered weed trimmers are very versatile and can be used to weed a variety of areas, but they can be dangerous if not used properly. The Mytilla Brumar Universal Cutter for Brush Cutter. It is a high-quality, durable tool that is perfect for a variety of tasks, including cutting brush, weeds, and vines. The Mytilla Brumar is made with a sturdy aluminum body and high-strength hardened steel gears and hose. It is also easy to use and maintain.